here we have number 1 patient Quageline, and we're starting with auscultation in the upper right quadrant. I can hear her lung, her right lung, portions of her small and large intestine. I hear a little bit of her renal artery. Moving over to the upper left quadrant, I can hear her stomach and her right lung and parts of her small and large intestines. And of course her renal artery is over here too. Right in the middle I can hear her aorta pumping. Down to the lower left quadrant, I can hear most of the small intestine, parts of the large, and a little bit of the iliac artery. If I move down a little bit, I can hear her femoral artery vaguely. Moving over to the lower right, I can hear a portion of her small and large intestine, her iliac artery. Moving down a little bit, I can hear her femoral artery vaguely. Now moving on to palpation, starting with the upper right quadrant. Also, my patient is in hook line position. Sorry, I forgot to tell you that. I can feel her liver, portions of her small and large intestine, her gallbladder's in there. Can't feel it though, and her right kidney's in there, can't palpate it. Over here in her upper left quadrant, I can feel her stomach and a little bit of her small and large intestine. I would be able to feel her spleen if it was inflamed, but it's not. In her lower left, I can feel her small intestine, a little bit of her large. Moving down a little bit, I can feel her reproductive organs.
When you guys are done, make sure the door's locked.
Okay. Okay. Yep.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. In her lower right, I would be able to feel her appendix if it was inflamed, but it's not. I can feel a little bit of her small and large intestine, and then down a little bit lower, I can feel her reproductive organs.